If you are looking for a natural way to take care of your dry, chapped lips with the product you made yourself, then today's recipe is perfect for you. This lip mask has a fantastic consistency and will feel amazing on your lips. Hello, it's Self-Care Differently here, and I make videos where I share my passion for homemade cosmetics and natural skincare recipes to help you take care of your skin and yourself. So if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Before we start making this lip mask, I think it's important to understand why taking care of your lips is so crucial and why a lip mask is a great product to do that. Our lips are super sensitive. They are actually one of the most delicate parts of our skin. Unlike the rest of our skin, they don't have that extra protective layer. This means they're more likely to get dry, crack, and be affected by things like the sun, wind, and cold weather. Since our lips are always exposed to these elements, they can lose moisture and become chapped. Using a lip mask can really help. It provides deep hydration, repairs any damage, and protects your lips from future harm. It locks in moisture and delivers nourishing ingredients that keep your lips soft, smooth, and healthy. So I hope with this I've convinced you not to neglect your lips in your skincare routine and to start using a lip mask if you don't already. So without further ado, let's dive in today's recipe. This lip mask is an oil-based product, which means there's no water in it. So we will have only two phases, the heated oil phase and the cool down phase. So let's start with the heated oil phase, where we are going to mix all the ingredients that need the heat to blend into our lip mask. First, we have mango butter. Mango butter is amazing for moisturizer. It's rich in vitamin E and A and helps soothe dry, chapped lips. Beeswax, it's widely used in lip care products. It creates a protective barrier on your lips to lock in moisture. It also adds a slight shine and improves the texture of the lip mask. Next we have cocoa butter. Cocoa butter is packed with antioxidants and fatty acids. It nourishes and protects your lips by locking in moisture. Demithicone comes next. Demithicone forms a protective layer on your skin, sealing in hydration. It gives the lip mask a silky, velvety feel and helps it last longer on your lips. Next, Caprylic. Caprylic triglyceride. It's a lightweight emollient derived from coconut oil and glycerin. It makes the lip mask glide smoothly on your lips without feeling greasy. Since we're making a raspberry seed lip mask, I chose raspberry seed oil. It's rich in antioxidant and essential fatty acid, which help nourish and rejuvenate your lips. But if you don't have raspberry seed oil, feel free to use any carrier oil you like. Up next, it's sunflower oil. It helps keep your lips soft, smooth, and hydrated. And the last ingredient in this phase is Sucragel. Sucragel is a natural oil gelling agent made from sugar. It gives our lip mask a smooth and gel-like texture that's easy to apply. And as usual, you'll find all the measurements in the description box below. And if you want more details about the ingredients used in this recipe, please refer to the blog post that comes with this video. Now we're going to melt these ingredients using a double boiler. Cover your beaker or container to prevent any water from getting in. Then set up a double boiler. This is simply a saucepan with about an inch of water, and then place your beaker into the saucepan. Gently heat the mixture, stirring occasionally until everything is fully melted and combined. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once everything is melted and well mixed, carefully remove the container from the heat. Let the mixture cool down to room temperature. This is important because we don't want to damage our heat-sensitive ingredients in the next phase. First, hyaluronic acid. This is our star ingredient. I'm using an oil-soluble hyaluronic acid, which is fantastic in oil-based products. Hyaluronic acid is a superstar at attracting and holding onto moisture, keeping your lips hydrated and plump. Next is vitamin E. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that nourishes your skin and helps protect it from damage. It also helps extend the shelf life of our lip mask by preventing the oils from going rancid. Fragrance oil is optional, but use whatever fragrance oil you like. I'm using raspberry fragrance oil to match my theme. Let's be honest. Then fragrance makes the lip mask smell wonderful, more enjoyable to use. Just make sure you use a fragrance oil that is lip safe. The last thing is mica powder. This is also optional if you want your lip mask to be color free, but I guess we all like skincare that looks amazing and more appealing. So I'm adding a pink color makeup powder to give the lip mask a lovely tint that matches the raspberry color. And of course, you can adjust the recipe and choose whatever theme or color you prefer. So make sure to mix everything well so all the ingredients are well combined, especially the mica powder, to avoid any clumps. Your lip mask is almost ready, but before we package it, let it set overnight to reach its final consistency. This allows all the ingredients to fully come together and to ensure that the lip mask stays stable. And here it is after sitting all night. Look at this beautiful texture. It's creamy and smooth. The color turned out amazing, and it smells so good. And I'm really in love with how it looks. Now all that left is to transfer your lip mask into a container. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoy your new lip mask as much as I do. If you try this out, I'd love to hear how it went. Share your thoughts, any tricks you made or questions you have in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel for more handmade skincare recipes. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. See you in the next video. Bye.